no pain. It means it's healing.
Heal, 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 heal. We need you to stop Ruby and Rebecca swamping to the fence like they did against Rockford.
There's a beacon-shaped hole in midfield.
Not for much longer. I'll be able to train again in a day or two. Max.
I'm glad your ankle's nearly better.
Me too.
Maybe we can hang out sometime.
That would be great.
We're off to the doctor.
I'll be handing back these crutches in a few minutes.
It's still a bit swollen.
Oh.
How's the pain?
It's gone.
Really? None at all?
Be honest with the doctor.
I've had a few sharp pains. Only a few.
Gently move your ankle.
Stage 9. Volcanic eruption.
No! No!
Oh, it stopped.
Stage 10.
Dr. Brennan thinks it could take much longer for the ligament to heal.
But you will be fit for the final.
Without a captain, they're not a team.
I hope I'll be giving this back to you for the final. For now, they need a strong leader on the field against Turo.
Solo will be ready for any midfield challenge.
Sam and Fiona are clicking again.
Suck is in the form of his life. But without a natural goal scorer.
Ballybraddan are in big trouble.
Maybe I can help.
Huh?
Someone get this young man a hurl!
Ziggy!
Ziggy! Ziggy! Ziggy! Ziggy! Ziggy! Ziggy! Ziggy!
It's good to be back. Beacon, Mr. Hanratty told me you're out for the semi-final. I'm so sorry.
I'll do everything I can to be fit for the final. And now, you're here to help us get there.
If we believe in ourselves!
If we play our very best.
We can win this.